Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a recipe with small twist, creating fun layers and delicious flavors inside one cake. I created a cake combines 3 all-time fan favorite flavors. This cake is made out of 20 thin soft crepe layers with combination of vanilla, coffee and chocolate flavors. I promise you will not find anybody who will not fall in love with this elegant and delicious cake. Let's start by creating crepe layers first of our cake. In a large bowl, combine together flour, eggs, sugar, oil, vanilla extract and milk. Using hand mixer or maybe kitchen blender, mix well everything on high speed. Then strain the liquid through fine mash to get nice smooth consistency of the batter. Now divide the batter into 3 different bowls. First one stays just plain. To the second one, add freshly brewed coffee, flour and whisk. To the last batter, add coffee, cocoa powder, flour and whisk as well. You can sift both of them again if you're looking to get silky consistency. Heat a non-stick pan over medium-high heat. Add few drops of olive oil and pour a scoop of white batter first into a skillet and swirl to coat the bottom evenly, just like that. Then cook until bottom is lightly brown, about a minute or 2. Add again few drops of olive oil on top of the crepe, then using a spatula flip crepe and cook until other side is lightly brown. It doesn't take long, about 30 seconds. Then transfer the ready crepes to a platter or maybe cooling rack by layering over each other. And simply repeat with the rest of the coffee and chocolate batter. While the crepes are cooling down, we can prepare the cream. Separate egg yolks from whites. You can always save the whites and use them for your morning omelette. Add sugar, vanilla extract or beans. Then transfer bowl with the yolks over boiling water on a different pot. You need to whisk constantly for about 10 minutes. The egg mixture in the beginning will change consistency to a liquid, but keep whisking until the mixture will start getting thicker and reach 71 degrees. Then remove quickly and strain to a large mixing bowl. Now beat the egg yolks on high speed until fluffy and pale color. Add gradually mascarpone cheese and keep beating. As well, you may scrape the bowl few times as needed. In a separate bowl, beat cold heavy cream with powdered sugar only up to 50%. Pour the cream to the egg mixture and keep beating on medium-low speed. until cream becomes fluffy and gets thicker consistency. It will take approximately about 5 to 10 minutes. To assemble the cake, place the first vanilla crepe and spread about 1½ teaspoon of the cream on top to get quite thin layer, and repeat until last vanilla crepe. When you reach coffee crepe layer, spread cream on top plus dust with cocoa powder and cover with second coffee layer. Repeat with the rest of the coffee layers same way. With the last chocolate crepe layers, spread cream evenly, dust with cocoa powder, then drizzle additional melted chocolate on top, which you need to simply melt with heavy cream until runny consistency, and repeat same way rest of your chocolate layers until you reach approximately 20 to 25 layers of your cake. This way we create fun layers and delicious flavors in one cake. For the decoration, fill the remaining cream into a piping bag with a round tip and pipe small droplets on top of the cake, just like that. For final, elegant touch, dust generous amount with cocoa powder and decorate with coffee beans. Refrigerate few hours before serving. I hope you all enjoyed this fun and many layers dessert. If you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. This way you won't miss my next recipe. And I'll see you guys next time.